One big change is how my nervous system is regulated. Like
Hmm.
initially, I was so dysregulated everywhere, everything all at once. It's like 1,000 tabs open in my brain. I am so much regulated now. I'm living in the moment. I'm present. My sleep is better. My
Hmm.
allergies have gone away, and I was relying on these asthma pumps, and I was relying on these medicines. That has completely stopped now. Actually, I was just lost at work. I was just doing. I'll go to work, do finish the task, come home with absolutely zero sense of what I'm doing and where I'm in my career. But now I'm very conscious. I have a lot of clarity. When I go to work, I'm not like a lost intern. I really feel I belong here. I am very good at decision making. I am very good with my communication. And what happens is that other people start noticing that those are small changes, right? And that has really improved my performance as well. I was this hard worker without any visibility or without any influence. Like I would be the one working, but somebody else will get the credit. Influence comes when you understand yourself better and your environment better. You don't have to
Yeah.
take it that it's working against you. You are part of the system. Understand how the system works and align yourself with that. So like during the influence, I understood that it's not just the task based. You have to understand the impact. You need to understand the visibility. You need to put yourself out there. You have to be proactive. So all these things, I think, helped me transition into a new role altogether. While it came as a surprise to me, maybe it was not a surprise because they saw the change in me over time. One-on-one coaching has absolutely been a game changer for me, because I, as a person who would struggle to talk about my feelings, was able to finally open up. And I want people to understand that it is going to be uncomfortable, it is going to take effort from you, but the results are worth it. The other thing is, you cannot heal one aspect of your life without working on other. So like I
Yeah.
cannot excel in career without working on entire personality, which I think you helped me understand that, all thanks to you, all thanks to you.